In this tutorial, we will make an organic forms parametric pattern-based massing design in Revit. Let's start. Open the Revit. Open a new family. Select metric, generic, model, pattern base. Open. Select the grid. Change the horizontal and vertical spacing to 20,000 millimeter or 20 meters. Okay. Next, select reference point, select draw on face, select set work plane, set this plane, pick a point, set work plane, set this plane, pick a point, set work plane, set this plane, pick a point, set work plane, set this plane, pick a point. Cancel the command, select all, go to filter, check none, and select reference point. Go to properties, offset, pick the button, create new parameter, type height 1. Okay. Go to family types, change the height 1 value to 8,000 millimeter. Okay. Next, select reference point, set work plane. Okay, set this plane, pick a point, set work plane, set this plane, pick a point, set work plane, set this plane, pick a point, set work plane, set this plane, pick a point. Okay, select this 4 reference plane, go to filter, check none, and select reference point. Okay, then go to offset, pick the button, create new parameter, type height 2. Okay, go to family types, change height 2 value to 20,000 millimeter, apply. Okay. Next, select reference point, draw on face, pick at midpoint, select the 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, reference point, pick at midpoint, select ellipse, set work plane, tab, set this plane. Okay, draw an ellipse. Okay, next, select the ellipse, check reference line. Okay, select these 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select these 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select reference point, pick at midpoint, Okay, select the 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Reference point, pick at midpoint. Okay, spline, ellipse, set work plane, tab, select set this plane, draw an ellipse, okay, then pick, select the ellipse, check reference line. Next, let's orbit a little bit. Okay, select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, reference point, pick at midpoint, pick at midpoint. Select the two reference point, spline through points, then check reference line. Reference point, then pick at midpoint. Okay, select ellipse, set work plane, tab, set this plane, then draw an ellipse. Okay, let's draw a smaller ellipse. Okay, pick, okay, then select the ellipse and check reference line. Next, select 3 ellipse. Okay, create form, then select this surface, the half surface, tab to select. Okay, this one, divide surface, change the U grid and B grid number to 5. Okay, next, go to surface representation, check nodes. Okay, next, okay, reference point, pick at the nodes, pick here, here, okay, one here, here, okay, one here, then one here, and one here. Okay, then let's orbit the view. Okay, pick one here and one here. Okay, next, select this reference point, this reference point, this reference point. Okay, this reference point and this reference point. Then select spline through points, then check reference line. Okay, next select this reference point, this reference point, this reference point, and this reference point. Okay, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, next orbit. Okay, let's check the profile. Okay, good. Next, select this half surface, divide surface, U grid and V grid number, change it to 5. Then go to surface representation and check nodes. Okay, next reference point, pick at this node. Okay, pick here, then one here, one here, and one here. Okay, pick, let's orbit. Okay, so you can see better. Okay, pick here, one here, and one here. Okay, next, select the reference point, this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Okay, select spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select this reference point, this reference point, this reference point, and this reference point. Spline through points, check reference line. Okay, let's check the elevation. Perfect. Okay, next, select this reference point and this reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select the 4 reference line, then select create form, then select the form. Okay, then change the positive offset to 500 millimeters. Okay, rotate the view. Okay, check. Okay, next, select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select these two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select the 4 spline reference line, create a form, select the form, and change the positive offset to 500 millimeter. Okay, okay, let's check, rotate the 3D view. Okay, next, select this surface or select this form. Okay, select and uncheck visible. Okay, so it will not show up in our project. Next, select the spline, tab to select, and select this spline, tab, select the single spline. Okay, then create form. Okay, Next, select the right view, select the surface, add profile, then pick at the center. Okay, pick and go back to 3D view. Okay, then select the profile. Let's go to back elevation, push the arrow. Okay, back to 3D. Okay, let's check. Okay, next. Okay, next, select these two reference point, spline through points, then check reference line. Okay, select this spline and this spline and the reference line, create form, select the surface. Okay, next. Okay, let's load our curtain panel. Select this one, rectangular PO1A, open. Okay, load into the project and close. Then let's select this divided surface, go to surface representation and turn off or uncheck the UV grid. Okay, rotate, select the divided surface, surface representation and uncheck UV grids. Okay, next, select the surface, divide surface. Okay, let's change the V grid to 20, then go to pattern and select the rectangular P10A. Okay, next, select this surface, divide surface. Okay, let's change the U grid number to 5. Okay, then let's add the curtain panel. Okay, next, rotate the view. Okay, next, select the shaded. Okay, then select this wall, go to material and finishes, create new parameter, type wall finish. Okay, then go to the other side, select the wall, then pick the button, select the wall finish. Okay, next, save the family. Let's save this to the desktop. Then let's name this organic pattern base mask. Save. Okay, now let's open our sample project template. Okay, open. Then go to masking and site. Turn on show mask and select in place mask. Mask 1, okay. Draw a rectangle. Draw a 20 by 20 meters rectangle. Same with our pattern base grid. 20 meters by 20 meters. Okay. Okay, let's select the rectangle. Move to the center. Okay. Then check reference line. Create a form. And select the surface. Now go to 3D view. Let's change this perspective to orthographic. Okay. Let's open our pattern base mask. Load into the project. Okay, select the surface. Divide surface. Okay, change the U grid and V grid number to 1. Then select our pattern base mask. Okay, select. Check component flip. Okay. Then all grid rotation, change it to 180 degrees. Okay. Finish the mask. Okay. Next, let's turn up the node. Turn up show mask. Okay. Done. Thank you.